Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower, check those down, runway 19 left, wind 140 at 4, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 19 left, wheels down, Giant 4241 Heavy.
Giant 4241 Heavy, check those down.
Giant 1441, go ahead.
Giant 4241 Heavy, check those down and expect midfield turn off, that's for Delta.
Giant 4241, we'll get back to you here momentarily, we're not on your approach.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell is 9 miles southeast.
Yes sir, we just landed at the other airport. And McConnell, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Apparently we've landed at BEC.
Giant 4241 Heavy, verify you are on the ground at Beech Airport.
We think so.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell supervisor, verify you are full stop, landed and stopped at BEC Airport.
Affirmative.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower, are you able to make an approach correction departure off that airport and back in the air to McConnell?
And we're working on those details now, sir.
Roger.
And McConnell Tower, Giant 4241.
Giant 4241 Heavy, McConnell Tower.
Yes, sir. Is there a tower frequency here for Beech?
Giant 4241 Heavy, Beech Tower is actually closed at this time. It's on the end.
Okay, is there a Unicom frequency?
Giant 4241 Heavy, stand by.
Okay. Do you have the coordinates for this for the airport?
Giant 4241 Heavy, stand by on that.
Okay, thanks.